CADskills is a young startup company, a Belgian startup company. We are not a technical-inspired company. We are inspired from surgeons, and surgeons are standing at the operation table and they feel that for some procedures they don't have the appropriate products. And from that frustration comes the urge to make new products. And we make specific implants based on the wishes of the surgeons to help patients. The process is a CAD process where we base ourselves upon digital images of the patient, and based on those we're able to design and manufacture 3D implants. We are a very small company. At this point, there's 5 people working full-time for CADskills. With 5 people, you cannot cover the whole world. You really need to have somebody on your side that can help you find the right connections in those markets and go in the right way. I mean, there's local legislation that is extremely important for this type of products. We will need the appropriate advice, and we are convinced that PwC can offer us that. Based on personal recommendations, we really felt that PwC was the best positioned, the most powerful company with most of the know-how that we were lacking. It's a wide range of competences that we really need because we cannot focus just on the local market. We really have that internationalization in mind, and those competences are only present in a large company like PwC. It's a very pleasant and personal relationship that we have with them. I personally am convinced that you cannot do any good business if you do not have a personal connection with business partners or even with our customers. And this is one of the things that thrives us in continuing working with PwC. We're still a small company and we still have very ambitious plans that we made together with PwC, so we're going to hold them accountable for those plans as well. We're going to take it step by step, and with each and every of those steps, we're pretty sure that PwC can play a significant role for us.